Welcome everyone to my quick highlights of the 51st Annual Australian Model Railway Association's exhibition. I'm going to go through a bunch of exhibits that caught my eye, but I highly recommend that you check out Will James' channel if you'd like an extensive look at the show. Straight off the bat, you'll notice that this year's show isn't at Caulfield, but actually out at Flemington. Despite the location change, we still had a great turnout of exhibits and trade stalls, including our regulars like Train World, Metro Hobbies, and Ausition, who are making me very, very tempted to get into N-Scale every time I see them in person. The first exhibit that stood out to me was the incredible Lego replica of the Newport Railway Workshops. This was done by the Melbourne L-Gauge Train Club, who do some great layouts and in the past have done some awesome V-Line N-Class locos and Met-era Commons trains in Lego form, but this replica of Newport Workshops is something else. Regular viewers to my channel would know that I'm mainly a fan of Australian model railways. It's what I grew up on and it's what I collect myself. However, there were some really good international layouts at the show like these ones. And I'll once again recommend Will James' channel for a deeper dive into the exhibition. Gisborne, by the Sunbury Model Railway Club, was by far my favourite layout at the show. Featuring the classic orange and grey V-Line era well represented, it took me back to my childhood and the types of locomotives that made me a rail fan back in the day. They also had another layout at the show, CROSBY Standen, which was also on display, and I'm pretty keen to head to their open day in October to see what else they have on offer. Another absolutely breathtaking layout was the Blue Mountains, which was done by the North Shore Railway Modellers Association, that shows the final years of steam and the introduction of diesel on the Blue Mountains line. This layout is absolutely stunning, and I'm glad they came down for the show. It is sensational. Last but not least, I want to give a shout out to Maryborough. There wasn't much going on when I walked past a few times on the Saturday, but the team did have a few tech issues with it, I assume. It's a great layout though, and I hope to see it in full force at the open day. One layout that I did miss was Borderline, which was at Caulfield last year, and I did get to see it at Sandown this year, as you can see in this horrible footage my GoPro took that doesn't do it justice, but hopefully it'll be back at another show soon. That about wraps up my little highlights. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.